Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're making tacos dorados. Okay guys, we're gonna need 3 potatoes, some seasoning of your choice. In this case, I'm gonna use chicken bouillon, tortillas, some butter, and some oil. Okay, I have my potatoes here. They're peeled already, they are cut, and they're super soft. Okay, so when adding your butter, make sure your potatoes are still hot so they can go ahead and melt away. Go ahead and add your seasoning. In this case, you already know, chicken bouillon all the way. You could use salt if you like, but I personally like the way they taste with chicken consomme. And now, as you can see, we have a perfect consistency to our filling. It's smooth and velvety and silky. Add to soften your tortillas. I prefer the comal, which is putting them on the stovetop, letting them brown a tiny little bit, and tucking them away for use. There's another way you could do it. You can add it inside a bowl, put your tortillas inside a bowl, put a warm cloth on top, and pop them in the microwave until soft. Now our tortillas are ready. I forgot I mentioned that I did find a little bit of mozzarella cheese and that I had to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some mozzarella cheese to make them nice and cheesy. I mean, why not, right? Who doesn't like cheesy tacos? I did want to mention, for the amount of potato that we made, 3 potatoes, I made roughly around 20 tacos de papa. Fry. I am adding to a warm, hot, medium-high skillet some reused oil that I had. So go ahead and add whatever frying oil you like, canola oil, vegetable oil, peanut oil, corn oil, any type of high point level of oil. Go ahead, and as soon as you know that it's hot and ready, as you saw, I did test it with the tip of a taco. Add in your taco and fry away. So after 2 minutes on frying each side of the tortilla, it's now done. I see that the cheese is oozing out and the shell is super crispy. So I go ahead and start taking them out. And oh my God, look at this. I got some ready to go. So let's get started on plating these up. I'm gonna add some chopped iceberg lettuce. I do also have some cream, some crema, or sour cream, or Mexican cream, whatever you wanna use. And as always, it will not be a taco without some bomb salsa. I'll have the salsa coming soon. It's quite an easy recipe with the big punch of Mexico. And to top it off, I'm gonna use staple Mexican cheese, Cotija cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and shred that on the top and finish our tacos dorados. There you go, guys. This recipe was simple, cheap, and delicious. Thanks for watching. Till next time.